Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Cadillac Margarita on the rocks. Start by rimming a rocks glass with lime and coarse salt, then fill it with fresh ice. Measure 2 Oz Reposado tequila, 1 Oz fresh lime juice, and 0.5 Oz agave or simple syrup into a shaker with ice and add 1 Oz orange liqueur. Shake briefly and strain over ice, then float 0.5 Oz Grand Marnier on top. Start with cold tools and fresh citrus to keep flavors vivid and balanced. Use a jigger for 2 Oz tequila and 1 Oz lime juice so you repeat success. Shake with ice for approximately 10 seconds to chill and reach proper dilution. This preserves texture without watering down the tequila. Strain into a salt-trimmed rocks glass over fresh ice, then gently float Grand Marnier for aroma and a touch of orange sweetness. Finish with a simple lime wheel or a flamed orange twist to boost aromatics without overpowering the cocktail. The Cadillac pairs beautifully with salty snacks or bold, spicy foods that bring out tequila's oak and vanilla tones. Keep sweeteners subtle so the Reposado tequila and Grand Marnier shine through. A balanced drink highlights spirit quality and bright lime. Small adjustments let you dial strength, sweetness, and tartness to personal preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.